Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to plug in the ventilation pipe to ELECTROLUX Comfort 600. So we have our ventilation pipe right here, and let me change the scenario. Okay, I'm back. So we need first this thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's a thing, and our pipe. So open the one end of a pipe. Wait, because it's kind of hard. Okay, so now one end is opened, as you can see. Not really. Okay, now it's opened. Take this lid with this thing here and just rotate it till it's plugged in. Wait, I don't know which. Okay. So like this, but I'll try. I'm trying. Wait. Because it's hard to do it the sideways. Okay, I did it. So now it's nearly ready. Okay, and now we're good with this side. Now the other side we'll do the same. So open one end. I have a problem with this. Okay, it's opened. Take the other one with this side here and rotate it till it's inside. I have a problem once again. Okay, and now they're both ready. So let me show you where to plug it. Okay, and I'm back. So I have my AC right here and our pipe. Now just put it in here and twist. As you can see, it is connected. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.